everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have a LENSMART glasses haul and we're also trying their contact lenses, so we are trying something a little bit different today to the usual glasses haul. I've never ordered any contact lenses online, so I'm going to give my full honest review on how I'm finding them, and then I've also picked up a few pairs of glasses to show you what I've got to add to my ever-growing glasses collection. Before we do get into it, I do have a discount code which I'll pop on the screen now for LENSMART, and you can get a discount off whatever you decide to purchase off their website. Here are the contact lenses. You get 30 in a box, and yeah, this is the brand. If you haven't done a online order before for like contact lenses or glasses, then I will do like a little overlay on the screen, as you will see, on how to put the the prescription in and stuff like that. But it is super easy and takes up no more time than going and choosing your own glasses and buying it and waiting. It's a very easy process, and yeah, so if you do want your contact lenses delivered, this is a good option. And these are slightly cheaper to my usual glasses that I get. Contact lens subscription, you know what I mean, whatever. I will be opening the fresh box just for the purpose of the video. This is what they look like. As you can tell, they're individually wrapped, so we're safe and obviously more hygienic. These are daily lenses, which I much prefer. I'm gonna rip two off and then I'll just show you me popping them in. 1, 2, and there is a 55% water content in these, so they are super comfortable to wear, very hydrating. I have already wore these a few times just to test them out before the video, because I didn't want to do a video and not get on with them and recommend them. So I've been enjoying them, find them super comfortable, just the same as the ones I've already got. Let's get into it. I have no idea how this is going to go, me putting these in on camera, but I'll try my best. Here's the lens, and I'm just going to scoop it out. Whoop. And here she is. I don't know. Oh, it's focused on it. So as you can tell, they're super thin lenses and my hands are shaking. Woo! I'm going to use some tissue just so I don't get foundation on me fingers. So just pull the eyelid down and in, and then the next one. Oh, just splattered the water on me. So we scoop it out. And they are in, and straight away they feel super comfortable and moist. Hate that word, ew. I'm going to wear these for the rest of the day. Let me just dispose of this. I think as well, if you've never tried contact lenses before but you're wanting to give them a go, it's much less daunting ordering them online to get used to them at home, which is what I did when I first started wearing contact lenses. These are like a universal fit sort of contact lens, so they do fit most like standard eyes, do you know what I mean? Really great to give a go, and the more boxes you do buy, the more money you get off. But anyway, we're going to get onto the glasses now, which is really going to trip me out, seeing as I've got these in my eyes. If you didn't know, I'm a very basic girly at heart, so LENSMART actually chose me these glasses, so I'm very intrigued to see what I think to them. But first impression with these are some sturdy glasses, which I did say last time. So these are like a metal kind of frame, and as you can tell, we've got like, like diamantes around the sides, detail on the sides. They're much more of like a square lens, which don't suit my face the most. Oh, I forgot I've got contact lenses in. Oh my god. And these are obviously a bit different to standard because we've got the diamantes. I think these are a little bit more discreet than like the big like tortoiseshell frames that I usually wear. These are giving me it's like a character in Stranger Things. I can't think who wears glasses like this, but that's the first pair. These feel super sturdy. Honestly, when you look at the price difference to glasses like this to like your usual optician, you will be shocked. Like, I've priced these up before, it's like a similar pair, and they come to like £30, whereas I paid nearly £400 for my current glasses. Sickening. And these are the next glasses. These are a lot more me. So we've got another metal, oh god, look at where. We've got another metal frame, but these have a bit of a tortoiseshell design on, which I think is really cute. A little bit smaller than the frame I do have, but they're very like cutesy and delicate. I love the gold detailing. So we'll try these on. Oh, these are cute. If you're a metal frame kind of gal, then these are a good shout. I love the tortoiseshell design on these. They just feel really good quality. They do not feel like they're going to bend or snap at all. So that's the second pair of glasses that I got. Let me know which one you prefer. But yeah, the other pairs that I got last time I was super impressed with. Honestly, it's just so much cheaper to order glasses online. Yeah, that is the contact lenses that are firmly in my eyeballs for the rest of the day. Oh, and when it comes to taking the contact lenses out, which I'm not going to do right now because I want these in, all I do is literally finger slide it across and then pinch, grab, take it out. Make sure to have a little look at LENSMART's website if you are in need of some contact lenses or glasses. Don't forget the discount code as well. And yeah, thank you to LENSMART for working with me in today's video. Goodbye.